Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove all bookmarks from your Google Chrome browser step by step. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, head to the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the three dots, then hover your mouse over the Bookmarks option. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmark Manager. Step 2. The Bookmark Manager page will now open. Here, you'll see all the bookmarks stored in your browser. To delete a single bookmark, locate the bookmark you want to remove. If needed, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific bookmark. Once you've found it, click on the three dots next to the bookmark, then select Delete. And just like that, the bookmark is removed. Step 3. If you want to delete multiple bookmarks, here's what to do. Select one bookmark, then press the Control key on your keyboard, or Command if you're using a Mac. While holding down the key, click on all the bookmarks you'd like to delete. Once selected, click the Delete button at the top of the page, and those bookmarks will be gone. Step 4. Now, let's say you want to delete all bookmarks at once. Press the Control-A keys to select all the bookmarks in your browser. Once they're all highlighted, click on the Delete button at the top. And that's it. All your bookmarks will be removed from Chrome. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.